welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm holding a box. I will be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. Look how pretty this box is. My lighting is so weird right now, I am so sorry. But look at how pretty the box is, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? It's super like summery and beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna take this eyelash scissor. I'm just gonna cut along the line. Look how cute this little scissor is. Isn't that the cutest? Oh. Okay. So in the box we have this Eva Longoria. She's beautiful, right? And some stuff. I think this tells us what's on there. I'm just gonna put that back there. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day. Gonna tear it open. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my face. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels amazing. It's pretty hot right now in California, so that feels good. And smells delicious. So I'm just gonna put this back and see. Okay, and next one is we have this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, I love masks. Probably do that maybe today or tomorrow. I wonder if it smells like anything. Nope. No. I don't know. I don't know. If it's some, part of me feels like it smelled good, and a part of me was like, it smelled kind of, I don't know, face masky. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put that there. So exciting. And I got these little, ooh, Invisible scrunchies. I've been wanting to get these, but I wish, look at this. Yeah, see? Put my hair up. It's in the way if it gets too hot. Oh. And it's easier to take off. It's supposed to like not leave dents in your hair, I think. It's in a different language on this. Oh, it's right here, haha. Yeah, traceless, light wearing comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking updo tool. Oh, how fun. It's nice to have one of these in like one of your bags just in case you ever need to throw your hair up. And this is the Spiritual Gangsta. That's what it says, Spiritual Gangsta. And I think this is their kimono. Ooh, very nice. Look at this. Okay, I'm just gonna wear it. Can you guys see it? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on for the rest of the video because it's pretty nice. You could wear it to the beach. You could wear it out. I'm just gonna keep it on. Looks nice. And ooh, a healing balm by Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Oh, you can put it on your skin, lips, nails. Cool. I wonder if it smells like anything. Oh. I'll definitely be using this. And we have silicone wine glasses. What a pair. Ooh, who doesn't love wine? Well, if you're old enough to drink wine, right? I'm having a hard time opening these. Alright. Look how cute this is. This cute little pouch. Oh, look how cute these little glasses are. And it's pink. juice in here, put water in here, put anything in here. I suggest you wash it first though before you do that, which is what I'm gonna do after this. I love opening boxes or packages. I just feel like it's like Christmas, you know, when you're opening like all your gifts and stuff like that. This is from Wish. This is their exfoliating foot mask. Oh, you're supposed to go to sleep with this. That's interesting. I didn't even know that. I thought you would like, you know, put it on and wash it off. I feel like it smells like coconut. It smells kind of coconutty. I think that's what the flavor is. Oh, the scent is, not the flavor. You don't want to eat this, right? Ooh, and then we have this nourishing styling cream. I definitely need this. My hair is, oh, it smells good. My hair definitely gets frizzy. So I've never used this before, so very exciting. And the last one we have is this really cute beach bag. Definitely going to use this when I go to a pool party or beach. Put all my stuff in. Then you can bring your glasses. This is definitely... Do I look like I'm ready for the beach or what? Yeah? This is so cute. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Whoa, $60 for this kimono thing. And then total value is $269.95 to $467.95. That is expensive. You know what I'm saying? That was so much fun. I wish I could open stuff like this all the time. But yeah, look at this. Before I go, I'm gonna spray my face again because whew, your girl needs it. It's hot in here. Thank you again for watching and joining me in unboxing everything, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can see you in my next video.